Question 38 is a very hard question. It's about electron micrograph. I always suggest my student to go to internet, search for more annotated electron micrograph to look at them. So, okay, modify it a few times, and then after you look at it for more, then you understand how to read them easier. And then, of course, you have to understand the situation. This particular situation is a muscle fiber. So myofibril, nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm are lots of things inside. Okay, and then you talk about some reticulum. You know, a reticulum give the calcium ions to the myofibrils. Okay, to trigger the contraction. So it is inside the myofibrils. Okay, so actually the same position of the myofibrils. Okay, so look here. What are they? Okay, first I think D. Wow, this one. So big, I will say it is a leucus. Okay. Okay. And then all the gray part here, all the dark gray here, all these wings are myofibrils. Okay. All these myofibrils. So I will say B is the myofibril. Yes, I will say it is a myofibril. So the reticulum is surrounding it, so it is also the place of the reticulum. This different name, okay, it's the best name for this reticulum, and the plasma actually is the reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, a different name. So I think my answer is B. Furthermore, if you ask me what's A and C, I would say A, C is the place between the myofibrils, so I may say it is the cytoplasm. Yeah, cytoplasm inside the muscle that has no myofibril. And what is this? The other little circle here? A, just like this one. I would guess, okay, because it need many energy, okay, for contraction. And so in the myofibril, in the muscle fiber, there are lots of mitochondria. So from my point of view, I would guess if I use mitochondria, I would guess it is a mitochondria for A. Okay, so it is hard, really hard. So you need to go up, get more picture of the annotated electron microscope, get some high resolution one, look at it more, and then you have a higher chance. I'm sorry, just a higher chance to guess the thing. Okay, so from my point of view, I think B is the myofibril, and the reticulum trigger is contraction, so the reticulum is surrounding inside and outside. Okay, so my choice is B. If you have other comment, please post down there. Let us share. For this one, I am a little bit more open-minded. Okay. For some others, I'm quite confident. For this one, I think by my best understanding, it is my best option is B. You have other idea, of course, share because you're terrific. Okay. See you guys for next question. Bye.